Hi, I'm Manjusha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some baby food ideas for babies from 8 months and up. So when a baby is like 8 months old, they can eat a combination of different vegetables, fruits, etc. So today I'm going to show you some baby puree recipe for 8 months and ups. And when a baby becomes 8 months old, they can eat purees of thicker consistency. They don't have to be thinner anymore. So these are the baby pure recipes I made for my baby, and I hope it will be helpful to others as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with a few fruit combination purees. The first one is a yummy combination of organic mango slices and a banana piece and little filtered water that I boiled and cooled it. So all I'm going to do is put everything into my blender and blend it into a smooth and lump-free puree. And that's it. My mango banana puree is ready to serve, and this is one of my baby's favorites. Serve it with love. Next one is a puree of organic papaya and banana. To make any puree sweet and yummy, I always add banana in most of my purees, which makes sure that my baby will eat it for sure because she loves banana and she loves everything sweet. So all I'm going to do is put the papaya and banana pieces with little filtered, boiled and cool water into the blender and blend it into a very smooth and lump-free puree. And that's it. My papaya banana puree is ready to serve. Serve it with love. Next is a puree of pear, grapes and blueberry. Here I used ripe pear to sweeten this puree combination. So I have already chopped a few pear pieces and I am going to take a pan and add the filtered water, and once it reaches the boiling point, I am going to reduce the flame and add all the fruits, cover it and let the pear get cooked, become soft, and then put off the flame and then allow it to cool. After that, then I am going to blend all the fruits, everything into a very smooth lump-free puree, and there will be some blueberry skins floating, so I'm going to use a strainer to strain it so that I can get a very smooth and lump-free puree. That's it. So this process actually makes sure that all these fruits will be well digested by the baby. That's it. My pear, grapes, blueberry puree is ready to serve. Serve it with love. Next is a puree made with organic pear, plum and apple. When it comes to my baby, I always try to use organic only. And here the pear and the apple will make this puree combination sweet and yummy. So I'm going to chop a few pear, plum and apple pieces and peel the skin off pear and apple. If you wish, you can also peel off plum skin as well, but I don't, and I didn't feel any problem or difference, so up to you. Then I am going to cook on my pan all these fruits like previously, just to soften the pear and the apple pieces for easy digestion. And once these fruits are cooked and cool, I am going to blend everything in my blender into a very smooth and lump-free puree. And that's it. My puree combination of pear, plum and apple is ready to serve. Serve it with love. So those were some fruit combination puree. Now I'm going to show you some vegetable combination purees. The first one is a combination of organic peas, baby carrot and baby potato. I have already peeled the skin off the carrot, but I'm not going to peel the skin off the potato because it has lots of nutrients. So I will be peeling it off once it is cooked. So I have washed them well. I'm going to pressure cook it with enough filtered water and cook it for one whistle. That's enough in my pressure cooker. and then I leave it to cool off. So thereafter I carefully open it, and then I peel the skin off the potato, and then I transfer all the vegetables into my blender with the whatever water was there in the pressure cooker, and then blend everything into a smooth lump-free puree. So I didn't find any skin or vegetable pieces here, so I didn't strain it further. That's it. My vegetable combination of peas, carrot and potato is ready to serve. Serve it with love. Next is a combo of organic beetroot and a baby potato. I have already peeled and chopped a few beetroot pieces as needed and a baby potato. So again I am going to pressure cook it with enough filtered water for 1 whistle and let it cool off. Then I am going to peel the skin off the potato and then blend everything into a very smooth and lump-free puree. That's it. My vegetable combo of beetroot and potato is ready to serve. Here the beetroot, it makes the puree sweet and super healthy. Like previously it was carrot in my first veg combo puree. Next is a combo of tomato, carrot and a small onion. So I'm going to peel the onion and chop it, and also chop a few tomato and carrot as needed, and peel the skin off the carrot as well. Then I'm going to pressure cook it with enough filtered water for 1 whistle. This is to cook fast, but this can also be done on a pan, as these vegetable combo will cook faster than any other vegetables. So up to you. So once my pressure cooker cools down completely, I'm going to transfer everything into my blender and blend it into a very smooth and lump-free puree. And that's it. My vegetable combination of tomato, carrot and onion is also ready to serve. Serve it with love. Next is a combination of butternut squash and green beans. So I have already chopped the butternut squash and green beans as needed, and I am going to again pressure cook it with enough filtered water for 1 whistle, and then blend everything into a very smooth lump-free puree. And that's it. My butternut squash and green beans puree will be ready to serve. Here the butternut squash makes this puree mildly sweeter, and it goes well with the green beans. So like previously it was in my carrot, tomato, onion puree, it was the carrot that made it sweeter. So adding a vegetable that is little sweeter with other vegetables, it will make it more yummy and acceptable to the baby. So those were fruits and vegetable combination purees. Now it is kind of a mix of vegetable and fruit, and avocado is my favorite. Ironically, avocado may be considered as a vegetable, but technically it is a fruit, and for me it is 2 in 1. And avocado is a super duper bumper superfood for babies. And so here I have 2 puree combination with avocado. First one is a combination of organic chopped avocado, ripe mango and ripe banana, and second puree will be combination of chopped avocado and chopped plantains. All I'm going to do is just blend everything into a very smooth puree with enough filtered water. And that's it. My fruit combo with avocado is also ready to serve. Thankfully my baby loves it.